In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MAMBASNAKE XGaming Keyboard. The MAMBASNAKE M87 TKL keyboard offers dual-mode connectivity via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz wireless technology, accommodating various devices with seamless switching capability. It features durable PBT ball keycaps known for their comfort and longevity, alongside a rechargeable 4000 mAh battery for extended usage, ideal for gamers and heavy keyboard users. The keyboard boasts a mixed-color rainbow backlighting system, enhancing the gaming experience with customizable lighting effects. Designed to provide a mechanical typing feel, it combines tactile feedback akin to mechanical keyboards with the convenience of wireless connectivity, making it suitable for both gaming and professional use. Number 2. DrunkDeer A75 Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 is a compact yet powerful mechanical gaming keyboard designed for speed and stability. Featuring magnetic switches with customizable actuation distances ranging from 0.2 to 3.8 mm, it ensures precise and responsive keystrokes without physical contact during activation. This keyboard supports 82 keys in a 75% layout, optimizing desk space while providing full functionality for gaming and typing. It boasts RGB backlighting with 18 effects and 10 brightness levels, allowing users to personalize their setup. The RT Plus function enhances gameplay with features like Last Win mode and Release Dual Trigger mode, optimizing key presses for seamless performance in games like Fortnite and Call of Duty. Certified by CE and FCC, the A75 connects via USB and is compatible with both desktops and laptops. It emphasizes durability with ABS plastic keycaps and promises enhanced accuracy through separate sensors for each key. Ideal for gamers seeking advanced customization and rapid response, the A75 embodies precision and innovation in gaming peripherals. Number 3. AKKO MonsGeek M3W. The MonsGeek M3W is a compact TKL, tankless, mechanical keyboard designed for versatility and performance. Featuring a sturdy aluminum build and a TKL 87 key layout, it prioritizes portability and desk space efficiency. Connectivity options include 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C wired modes, allowing seamless switching between up to 3 devices. The keyboard supports various backlighting modes and customization through the MonsGeek driver, offering over 16 million colors per key. It boasts PBT double-shot keycaps for durability and comfort, complemented by features like pour-and-plate foam for quieter typing and a built-in 6000 mAh battery for long usage times. Ideal for both gaming and productivity, the M3W combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, featuring a golden accent and south-facing PCB for enhanced compatibility with different keycap profiles. Number 4. Logitech K380 Keyboard. The Logitech K380 is a versatile wireless keyboard designed for multi-device connectivity via Bluetooth, supporting various platforms including Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS. It features a compact, full-size layout with ABS plastic keycaps and a membrane operation style. Notably, it supports hot swappable switches and operates on a 2.4 GHz wireless connection. The keyboard emphasizes ease of use with its easy-switch capability, allowing seamless switching between 3 connected devices at the touch of a button. It boasts long battery life of up to 24 months with 2 AAA batteries, and includes special keys for shortcuts and system controls. Available in black, red, or blue, the K380 is ideal for desktop and laptop setups, combining portability with functionality across a wide range of devices. Number 5. KEMOVE K87 Keyboard. The KEMOVE K87 is a versatile wireless mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts and gamers alike. It features Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and wired connectivity options, ensuring stable and fast connections across devices. The keyboard boasts Gateron X KEMOVE diamond switches, noted for their unique prism design enhancing RGB lighting effects. It supports hot swappable switches, accommodating both 3-pin and 5-pin variants. Constructed with double-shot PBT keycaps in a blue, white, and gray color scheme, it offers durability and comfort. Noise reduction silicone pads contribute to quieter keystrokes. The keyboard features customizable RGB backlighting with 16.8 million colors and supports music rhythm synchronization. Fully programmable with macro recording and NKRO, it includes a 4000 mAh battery providing up to 90 hours of usage without RGB lighting. Certified for compatibility with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, it combines ergonomic design with multifunctionality, making it suitable for various applications including gaming and multimedia use.